Today we are going to be talking about and looking at the differences between the Ponyfull by Kitsch and the Ponyo. Both of these products are said to give you beautiful, full, bouncy, voluminous ponytails, and they're also both said to be easy to use, quick to use, and comfortable. So which one is better? Which one should you invest your money in? What's going on? Welcome to the channel. My name is Gabby and this is Glam Girl Gabby. This is your place to come hang out and talk about beauty and fashion for the modern woman. If that sounds good to you and you want to be friends, then definitely hit that subscribe button below and I will see you every single week. In true Gabby nerdy fashion, because you know that I am the nerdiest hairdresser you will ever meet in your entire life, let's pull up some comparison charts and let's go through the features, addressing a few key components. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is price. You can buy a single Ponyo for $6.99. If you are on the website and you get confused as to the varying sizes, let me just go through that with you really quickly. So you can get the Ponyo Classic, which is the standard Ponyo size, and that is for super fine, normal or slightly thick hair. So hair like mine, my hair is fine. I wouldn't say it's like super fine, but it's definitely fine on the finer side. The Classic is absolutely perfect for me. This is what it looks like. I find that I can wear my hair in a ponytail, no problem. It lasts all day. It looks fantastic. If you have very, very thick hair, then you are gonna wanna get the extra large. So that's for really long, super thick or extra heavy hair. Regardless of whether you get the Classic or the extra large, an individual unit of the Ponyo is $6.99. The Ponyfull, on the other hand, is very different. So the Ponyfull comes with this little thing that looks like a stopper, and it goes into your ponytail, and it comes with 3 clear elastics. So these little elastics are just clear little stretchy elastics that you put on your hair, and then you insert the Ponyfull that way, and then your hair billows over it. It creates like a wider ponytail so that you get more volume. These products are very different because the Ponyo actually kind of widens your ponytail and spins it so you get like a waterfall effect, but because it's adding width, whereas the Ponyfull is adding volume in terms of like the rounded shape of the actual ponytail. This will make a lot more sense when we demo it. Stay with me. The ponytail retails for $12. These are all American dollars, okay? So if you're Canadian, just make sure to do that conversion so that you know exactly what it is. Let's talk about durability really quick before we do our demo. In terms of durability, I have had my Ponyo for close to a year, maybe a little bit less. And I was using it every single day repeatedly. I absolutely loved the way it looked on me. I really, really loved the way it held my hair. When I was in the salon working with clients, I felt like my hair was out of my way, but I also felt incredibly put together because it gave me such a billowy, beautiful ponytail. So in terms of the durability, I actually had the wire inside of my Ponyo crack because I was repeatedly folding it on the same spot every single time, day after day after day after day. And so I emailed Ponyo, let them know that that happened, and they just sent me a brand new one just like that, and I got it within a few days. I'm not sure if this is the policy for everyone because Ponyo does know me. They have sent me products before. They did watch my first review and I developed a relationship with them. I don't know if they would replace a snapped Ponyo like that or if you just have to buy a new one. But realistically, even if you did have to buy a new one, it's $6.99. Like, it's not going to kill you, and it's still going to be cheaper over time than buying all the multiple elastics that we buy and go through like all the time and we don't even think about. The Ponyfull durability, you know, this is really good quality, just like the Ponyo. Actually, they feel like the same material. The durability of the elastics, I can tell you that these will snap for sure, and they will probably snap pretty quickly. I haven't worn this repeatedly day after day after day, so I can't say firsthand, but I know that these types of stretchy, clear elastics, they just don't last that long, and I'm sure that's why they gave you 3 of them. But if that's the case, you can just go ahead and use a regular elastic. It's not going to not be possible to style your hair with this because you don't have this elastic anymore. You can just use a black elastic or whatever you have at home and insert this into it, and that will be fine. Either way, both are excellent quality products. I'm sure they're incredibly durable, both of them, and if you do need to replace them, it's not going to completely break your bank. One more thing that I do want to mention about the Ponyo before we move into our demo is that they also have these things called Bling Rings. I made a video on that, so you can check out that video next if you want more information on it. But they They are these magnetic little sparkly things that go around the Ponyo. And I just find that whenever I wear these, I get tons of compliments. People are always asking me like, where did you get that? That's adorable. They have lots of different designs and they're really fun. They look really, really, really cute on. Ponyfull doesn't have that yet. Kitsch has some really gorgeous hair accessories, but I would almost recommend for Kitsch to make something that goes around the Ponyfull to kind of hide that clear elastic band and bling it up, because I think it would sell like crazy if there was something that fit perfectly around the circumference of that ponytail. Because I'm gonna tell you, like, wearing this bling ring on my Ponyo is a huge selling point for me. I think it can make your hair look so gorgeous and it can really, really make it evening. Okay, here we go. So let's start with our Ponyo first. Let's just use a classic black one because then I can quickly put a bling ring on it and you can see what it looks like. So the first thing you want to do is brush your hair up into a ponytail. The next thing you want to do is you want to open your Ponyo up into an O shape, and you want to use your thumb and the finger beside your thumb. You're going to feed your hair through your Ponyo first, and then you're going to squish your Ponyo so that it is horizontal and parallel to the floor and flat. Then you're gonna take one side of the Ponyo, you're going to bend it into the middle underneath, and you're gonna take the other side and bend it into the middle. And that's what it looks like. If it is sliding, I can guarantee you without a shadow of a doubt, being a hairdresser for 14 years, having a lot of experience, being an event stylist in particular, doing a lot of updos, a lot of styles, you are not using this product properly if your hair is sliding. This is a rubber material and it's kind of ridged actually on the inside of it. Your hair, if worn properly, will not slide at all. I find this significantly more secure than a regular elastic. Now let's talk about comfort. I find this incredibly comfortable. It is tight, and I think the more you really push your hair into it before you clamp it, the tighter it's gonna feel. You can kind of loosely pull some of the hair out from the front here, and sometimes I loosen it on the sides because I have really bad alopecia. But in terms of comfort, I mean, it is very, very comfortable. It couldn't be more comfortable considering your hair is up. I love this product. Like, there's not much that I could do to love it more. Before we move on to the Ponyfull, I'm just gonna show you really quick how to use the bling ring. So all you wanna do is open up that magnet. You wanna wrap it around your hair. The magnet connects at the bottom, and that's it. And then this is what it looks like with your bling ring. Now let's do the same thing with the Ponyfull. I'm gonna show you how that works. So again, we're gonna put our hair in a high ponytail so that we can compare. You are going to grab your clear elastic, and now where this gets tricky for me and took me a few tries is that you don't want to make this so tight that you can't actually fit your Ponyfull into it, but you don't want to make it so loose that it's also not comfortable. Because I have really fine hair, I'm gonna do 3. So I just did 1, 2, 3. If I wasn't using this, I would have done 4 passes. So you need to leave enough room to add this in because this is so dense. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna split your hair into 2. You're going to stick the little stopper end down into the elastic, insert, and then put your ponytail over top of the product. And here's your final look. In terms of comfort, I find this actually to be shockingly comfortable. When I did my first review of this product, I really thought you'd be able to feel it. I thought it was kind of a gimmick. I didn't think it was gonna work, and I couldn't believe as to how well it actually did work and how comfortable it actually did feel. Okay, so the question that we're all curious about, drum roll please. If I could only have one product, which product would I have? This is such a tough question for me to answer because they both are very unique, but they're actually very different. In terms of a day-to-day pony, a pony product that I would reach when I'm going into the salon, I want my hair out of my way, I just want it up and quick and easy, I would probably grab the Ponyo. In terms of an actual event hairstyle, if I was buying a product for a bride, for example, that wants a really voluminous bridal ponytail, I'd probably be more inclined to go towards the Ponyo because it adds volume circularly and it creates that really full bridal pony that is just so classic yet modern. Although both products will definitely 100% work, for my day-to-day life, I do tend to gravitate towards more of the Ponyo, and then I would say for more my event life and event styling life, I would gravitate towards the Ponyfull. So I'm not making it easier for you guys. It's a decision you're gonna have to make on your own. Sorry. Let me know if you have any more questions in the comment section below. I try to respond to every single comment that I get. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more product reviews, then check out these videos next. As always, I love you. Bye.